Good morning. Today is Wednesday, and this is your assignment for Wednesday. We are still working on our grocery ads. You will still use that link posted in your lessons to access the ad from Dylan's to answer these questions. This one will be a little bit shorter lesson today, so it shouldn't take you too long to do these questions at all. So today we're talking about you're going to the grocery store, you're buying some food, and you're going to pay with a certain amount of money, and I want you to figure out how much change you would get back. I am going to let you use your calculator on this assignment. Um, there are different ways we could find out how much change we're going to get back. You could count the change back. I don't think we've worked a lot on that, so I'm not going to expect you to do that today. So what I'm going to have you do is just put it in your calculator and give me your answer that way. So I am going to change up this just a little bit. For the first one right here, it does say pick one item from your store flyer. On this one, I would like you to pick 3 items. I will go in and change that so that you can see that on your assignment when you open this up. But I would like you to pick 3 items from your store flyer. And you're going to have to pay a little bit of attention because you only have $20. So you're going to have to make sure those 3 items are less than $20. So after you pick those 3 items, you're going to add them up, and then you're going to tell me how much change you will get back if you paid with a $20 bill. So go look at that Dylan's flyer, pick 3 items. Again, I want you to write out what items you picked, how much they were. Tell me the total of those 3 items, and then tell me how much change you would get back from a $20 bill. So to find out how much change you're going to get back, after you add up those items, you are going to take 20 minus however much those items cost you, and that will give you how much change you will get back. Okay, the next one over here says you have $10 to spend. So instead of picking one item, you are going to pick 2 items to buy with $10. So again, you're going to have to pay attention to what you're buying. It's going to have to be less than $10. And I want you to tell me how much change you're getting back. Please write that. Items you bought, how much they were, and how much change you're going to get back. I am only going to have you do these 2 items today. So like I said, it's going to be pretty short and easy for you. But you're just really going to have to pay attention to how much things cost to make sure you're not going over the amount you're given. And I will make sure I change these so you know how many items I want you to pick. Okay, have a good day. Bye.